Make a great choice today with the 2019 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, ventilated front seats, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, heads-up display, HD radio, security system, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.